Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet pillow cover designs model. Let's start the video. A crochet pillow cover is a decorative or functional cover made using crochet techniques to encase a pillow. These covers can be crafted in various styles, patterns, and yarn types to match different aesthetics and home decor. Features of a crochet pillow cover material, usually made from cotton, acrylic, wool, or blended yarns. Patterns can range from simple single crochet stitches to complex lace, bubbles, granny squares, or textured designs. Cruiser styles. Some have buttons, zippers, or envelope style openings for easy removal and washing. Customization can be made in any color, size, or stitch pattern to match home interiors. Uses. Adds warmth and texture to furniture such as couches, beds, and chairs. Here are some helpful tips for making a crochet pillow cover. First, choose the right yarn. Use cotton or acrylic yarn for durability and easy washing. If you want a soft and cozy feel, opt for wool or a wool blend. Consider the pillow use. For decorative pillows, you can use delicate or fancy yarns. Pick the right stitch. Single crochet creates a tight trim fabric, good for durability. Half double crochet or double crochet adds some softness and texture. Granny scarves, a fun and colorful option, great for a vintage look. Bobble or popcorn stitches add dimensions added decorative touch. Mature your pillow first. Mature the pillow inside before starting your project. Make the crochet page slightly smaller than the inside for a snug fit. Make a gauze swatch. Test your stitches to ensure the correct size. Adjust your hook size if necessary to match the intended dimensions. Consider the closer styles. Envelope closers, easy to make and does not require buttons or zippers. Button closers adds a stylish touch and keeps the cover secure. Zipper closers provides a sleek and professional finish. Use a tight stitch for durability. Avoid loose stitches to prevent the pillow insert from showing through. Use a lining fabric if you want extra support and structure. Block your work. Blocking helps even out stitches and gives a polished look. Stem blocking or foot blocking works well for most yarns. Sew or crochet the edges together. Use slip stitch or single crochet to join edges neatly. for a seamless look using mattress stays or whip stays. Choose a sturdy hook size. A smaller hook size will create a tighter fabric, preventing gaps in the stitches. If using chunky yarn, ensure your hook matches the recommended gauge to avoid an overly loose structure. Experiment with different textures. Use a mix of post stitches, front post or back post double crochet to create shaping effects. Try Tunisian crochet for a oven-like texture. Combine different stitch patterns like rows of single crochet with bubble stitch sections for a unique design. Reinforce the seams. If your pillow cover will get a lot of use, reinforce the seams with the lining fabric or by double stitching the edge. You can also crochet a border around the edge before sewing them together for extra strength. Add embellishments for a unique look. Sew on buttons, tassels, or pom-poms for a decorative touch. Discuss toxic yarns colors to create stripes, geometric patterns, or floral motifs. Consider adding applique crochet designs on top, like flowers, leaves, or shapes. Make it reversible. Crochet 2 different patterns on each side so you can flip the pillow for a fresh look. Use two-tone colors, orange solid back with a detailed front designs for versatility. Ensure it is washable. If using machine washable yarn, make sure the seams are tied to withstand washing. For delicate yarns, consider making a removable zipper or button closer for easy cleaning. Consider adding a fabric lining. A fabric lining inside prevents the stuffing from showing through loose stitches. Use a cotton or muslin lining and sew it inside before inserting the pillow form. Try a continuous bead for seamless look. Instead of making separate front and back pieces, crochet a long rectangle and fold it to cover the pillow, then seam the sides. This method works great for envelope style closures. I think these ideas will help you. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!